Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you about certain websites and certain apps that help you review certain Google review searches and you can actually get paid for them. So starting up, first we have Appen. Appen is a company which basically hires search engine evaluators to basically rate Google search results. You'll review the websites, ads, and even voice searches to help improve Google accuracy. The pay basically varies, but you can easily earn extra cash just by working a few hours a week. And as you can see the model over here, the data sourcing, data preparation, model development, and model evaluation. And this is basically it. And this is basically qualities they're telling us why we should choose them, the skills, the quality, the expertise they provide. Moving on to the next one, we have LineBridge. Now, the LineBridge, which is also known as Jealous AI, this platform offers similar quality search jobs where you evaluate search results and ads. If you enjoy analyzing content, spotting errors, this can be a great thing for you. So if you see over here, they have your customer services as well. You can onboard, just sign up for it easily. Just go for it, click here, and this is like a very easy, simple process to do for. The next one we have is Reto Labs. So this company basically focuses exclusively on Google search results, making it one of the best places to start if you want a flexible online job with a steady income potential. And you know what the best thing about all these three apps is? You can really work from home. So this is like the easiest thing. So if you spend your time on Google anyway, why not get paid for it? I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching it.